In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an education entry in your LinkedIn profile. Let's jump right in and make sure your LinkedIn profile accurately reflects your professional journey. To begin with, open up your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once you arrive at the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the sign in button right at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a few options to log in. You can choose to log in using Google, Microsoft, or by directly entering your email address and password. Pick whichever method is the most convenient for you. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is always a smart choice for security, LinkedIn will send a verification code to your phone. Make sure to enter this code to proceed. Once you're logged in and staring at your homepage, shift your focus to the upper right part of your screen. Here, you'll notice a small image representing your profile avatar. Click on this image, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled View Profile. This will take you to your profile page, where you can view and edit your information. Now, scroll down until you reach the Education section. This is where LinkedIn lists all the educational information you've entered. It's essential to take a moment here to carefully review the entries and identify which specific education entry you'd like to remove. Remember, once you delete an entry, it's permanent, so make sure you select the right one. Next to the entry you want to delete, look for three dots or a pencil icon. These symbols indicate that you can make changes. Click on it, and a small menu will pop up, offering several options for editing your details. Choose the Delete Education option. Before LinkedIn permanently removes the entry from your profile, they'll ask you to confirm your decision. This is your last chance to ensure you want to go through with it. If you are certain about deleting it, go ahead and click Confirm. And just like that, the entry will be removed from your education section. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted an education entry from your LinkedIn profile, ensuring your virtual resume remains up to date and aligned with your current career goals. You can easily repeat this process anytime you need to make further adjustments to your profile. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have more questions or need further guidance.